Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Honor Magic 6 Pro for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then in the search enter Simple. Go for the Simple mode, then on the bottom you should find Enable, click on that, and this should enter a simple mode on your smartphone. And that is honestly all we have to do. As you can see, all of the icons becomes much bigger. There's also text that is much bigger. It adds the sounds so that you can hear when you click on something. And when we enter settings, they are also limited, which means it's really hard to change something on your phone if you don't want it. Then we can enter the text size, and here you'll be able to also adjust the text size for your need. In this case it's set to huge, but you can make it smaller if you like. And if you want to enter this simple mode, in the settings you can find exit simple mode button that you can click on to remove the simple mode from this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.